In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Forms questions. Let's begin our journey by heading over to Google Drive. This is essentially your online hub for all files and documents and serves as the starting point for creating any new Google form. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the top left corner of the interface and locate the New button. Clicking on New will reveal a drop-down menu that offers a variety of options. From this list, select Google Forms. When you hover over or click this option, a submenu appears giving you the choice to start a new form. Choose the blank form option, which allows you to start fresh on a completely new page. Think of this as a blank canvas where you can design your form however you'd like. You're now inside the blank form, and one of the first things you'll want to do is give it a suitable name. You can do this by clicking on the text at the top that currently reads Untitled Form. Enter a descriptive title that clearly reflects the purpose of your form. This makes it easier for respondents to understand exactly what they're dealing with at a glance. Now, let's move on to adding a question. On the right side of the form, there is a floating panel presenting various question types. Click Add Question and type in the question you intend to ask. If you're planning to incorporate a table, you might be interested in question types that allow for matrix responses. For the moment, let's just set up a basic question as a placeholder. With your question in place, it's time to organize the table you plan to insert. Head over to Google Sheets, where you either have your table stored or, if needed, create a new one. Organize your data in rows and columns according to your requirements. Once that's ready, use a snipping tool to take a screenshot of the table and save it on your computer. Returning to your Google form, you'll notice an option to add an inline image below your question. Click this to upload your saved table image. When the upload dialog appears, click Browse to locate the table image file on your computer, and then upload it. After the image of your table has been inserted, you may want to adjust its alignment. Click on the three dots located at the bottom right of the image to select Center Align or any other alignment option you prefer, ensuring everything looks tidy and professional. Finally, don't forget to click Publish to make this form accessible or shareable to your intended audience. And there you have it. Your Google form now includes a neatly inserted table, effectively enhancing the way you present information to respondents.